Hello students, good day to you all. I am your teacher Christina Danish from St. John's High School. I will teach you a lesson Chicken Licken Part 3 from Oxford Reading Circle Book 2. Before starting, I will give a small review of the previous lesson. Yes students, we have studied about a small chick whose name was Chicken Licken. She met with her friends and told them the sky must be coming down, and a big piece of fruit fell on her head, and they all were going to tell the king. Now come to the third part. So first I will read page 40 and 41. Before reading, I have selected some new words, so read along with me. Cut, short, lurky, mind, foxy, hurry, story, turkey, never, walked, loxy, rude. Now these are the meanings of the new words. Number 1, turkey means a large type of bird. Then never mind means don't worry. Hurry means quickly. Rude, it means bad behavior. Now we'll start the reading. Open your book, page number 40. Read along with me. Then Goosey Loosey said, "Oh, Ganderlander, don't go, for I was going and I met all this lot. And to cut a long story short, the sky is falling and we are going to tell the king." So Ganderlander turned back and met Turkey Lurkey. "Well, Turkey Lurkey, where are you going?" And Turkey Lurkey said, "I am off to the wood." Then Ganderlander said, "Oh, Turkey Lurkey, don't go, for I was going and I met—" "Oh, never mind, Chicken Licken, says the sky is falling and we are going to tell the king." So Turkey Lurkey turned back and walked with Ganderlander, Goosey Loosey, Drakey Lakey, Ducky Lucky, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, and Chicken Licken. And as they were going along, they met Foxy Loxy. And Foxy Loxy said, "Where are you lot going in such a hurry?" And they told him. And Foxy Loxy said, "I don't mean to be rude." Yes, students, in this page, we have read that Lucy took with Lander that I met all. So students, to cut a long story short, that sky is falling down and we are going to tell the king. So Lander turned back and met with Turkey Lurkey. As usual, Lander tell the same story to Lurkey, and he turned back with all of them, and they were going along and they met with Foxy Loxy, and Foxy Loxy asked them that you all where are going in such a hurry. Yes students, it's all about up till now. Now come forward. Before reading of this page, I will read some new words. Tears, fear, deeper, getting, feathery, dropped, clear, farmyard, near, shortcut, forest, Gooble, tiny, luckily, chased. Now meanings of these words. Shortcut means a shorter way. Near means close to a place. Fear means unpleasant feelings. Gooble, it means to eat food too fast. Tiny means very small. Luckily, by good luck. Chase means run after. Now let's start the reading of the last page of this lesson. Ready? Let's start. That is not the way, my dears. You are not near, I fear. Come along with me. I know a shortcut. So, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Drakey Lakey, Goosey Loosey, and Turkey Lurkey followed Foxy Loxy deeper into the forest. Foxy Loxy was just getting ready to gobble up the feathery friends when suddenly a tiny acorn dropped from the tree. Whee! And hit Foxy Loxy on the head. Bonk! Luckily, Foxy Loxy didn't see the acorn. He looked up at the clear blue sky. Oh no! He said, the sky is falling. I must tell the king. Foxy Loxy ran off and was never seen again. Everyone looked at the Chicken Licken. Are you sure the sky fell on your head? They said. Well, maybe it was an acorn, said Chicken Licken. And they chased him all the way home to the farmyard. Yes, students, on the last page, we have read that Foxy told them that, all my dear friends, that is not the way. Come along with me. I know a shortcut, so they all followed Foxy into the forest. Then Foxy was just ready to eat quickly to all feathery friends. Then suddenly a tiny acorn dropped from the tree to hit Foxy's head. But Foxy did not see the acorn. He looked up at the blue sky and he said, the sky is falling down. I must tell the king. So Foxy ran off and never seen again. Then everyone looked at Chicken Licken and asked her, is she sure the sky fell on her head? And Chicken Licken said, I am not sure. Maybe it was a corn. And they all ran after to the farmyard. Students, it is the moral of the story to have courage and not to believe on everything or everyone that what others says. Now it's your home task. Write word meaning. Question number 2. Name the animals who joined Chicken Licken. Number 3. What were Foxy Loxy's plans? Number 4. What did the animals realize in the end? Number 5. Write the moral of the story. Question number 6. Do exercise C, page number 42 in your copy. Number 7. Read the story Chicken Licken again. Rewrite the sentences in the correct order. This activity on the next slide. Do this activity in your English literature copy. Who met with whom? Number 1, I have done for you. Chicken Licken met Henny Penny. Number 2, they met Goosey Loosey. Number 3, they met Foxy Loxy. They met Gander Lander. They met Cocky Locky. They met Drakey Lakey. They met Ducky Lucky. They met Turkey Lurkey. You have to do this activity in your copy. It note is for students. You are requested to your homework or activities in your English literature copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of homework or activities you have done in your copies. In the last, work from home, stay home and be safe. Thank you.